solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan, that as Judge, Supreme Court of Pakistan, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law. That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my